Hi kids! We will be talking about calendar. How many days are there in a week? How many weeks are there in a month? And how many months are there in a year? We will be talking about the calendar for the year 2026. Kids, for the first question, what day of the week is the 1st of January? Let's locate the position of the 1st of January. There you go. Let's find out the day of the week. January 1st falls on a Thursday. My next question is, what day of the week is 2nd of January? Tingnan yung nasa taas. Ano ito?
Friday.
Good! Now you know that January 2nd is on Friday. How about January 3? What day is it? Saturday. O, tingnan natin. Ito ang 3. Tapos, tingnan natin sa taas. It's Saturday. Now, I will ask you, what day is January 14th?
Wednesday.
Yes, ang galing naman. So, alam nyo na ang paggamit ng calendar. Okay? Dito sa calendar page na ito, we have the year. Ano ang year? It's
2026.
Yes.
2026.
Yes, the year is 2026. And what is the month?
January.
Very good. And what are the days of the week? Starting with Sunday. Next is
Monday.
Monday. The third day is
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday.
Very good. So there are 7 days in a week. Let's continue our topic on calendar. What's next after January?
Monday.
Second month. Kung sabihin, buwan. It's
February.
Yes, it's February. Okay. Ano ng araw ang February 1st? What day is?
Sunday.
That's correct. Sunday. Okay, because this is the first day of February and it falls on a Sunday. Alright. When is my birthday? Okay, so that is February 15. Ano naman ang araw ng February 15?
Sunday.
Yes, that's correct. It's Sunday. That will be my 67th birthday. Okay, si Dr. Zenny, tiba tita nyo?
Papa.
Classmate ko sa college, si Dr. Zenny.
Mami pang tawag namin po.
Wow, si Mommy Zenny. Regards to Mommy Zenny. Okay, now what is the last day of February? What is the last day of February? It's Saturday and it is 28. For the year 2026, February has only 28 days. And the 28th day falls on a Saturday. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulalat sa math. Matyaga ka lang, matututo ka rin ng math.